Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Anika Gandhi from Anika's DIY Life, and today I'm going to show you how to build this DIY house-shaped lantern. It makes perfect decor for fall or for the holidays. You can use it outdoors or you can use it in your home year-round as decor. It is super easy to make, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. But here are the supplies you need to make this house-shaped lantern. 2x2 boards, a total of about 16 feet, a 15-inch long 1x10 board, 2-inch finish nails, 1.25-inch wood screws, wood glue. In terms of tools, you need a miter saw, a power drill, and a nail gun. So the first step is to make all the cuts, and I used my miter saw to go ahead and cut up all my 2x2 boards. There are straight cuts and there are angled cuts which are made at 45 degrees. So here is a cut list of what you need. You need a 15-inch piece of a 1x10 board. You need 9 boards cut at 12 inches each. You need 4 boards cut at 9 inches each. And then you need 2 of these with one end cut at 45 degrees and the measurement from the long edge to the top at 6.5 inches. And then you need 2 at one end at 45 and the measurement from the long edge to the top at 5 inches. To start with, attach 2 12-inch boards to the ends of a 9-inch board using wood glue and finished nails. If you don't have a nail gun, you could use finished screws. The key here is to make sure that the nail or screw is on one side of the joint so that you have space for the nail or screw that will attach the next board to this joint. Once the 2 12-inch pieces are attached, attach another 9-inch piece on top to complete making the rectangular frame. Now repeat the same process and build a second frame. These are going to be the 2 ends of the lantern. Next, go ahead and attach the 12-inch board to one of the frames using wood glue and finished nails or finished screws. This time you want to center the nail or screw so that it does not hit the earlier nail or screw. It is easier to attach 2 diagonally opposite boards and then stand the entire structure up to attach the remaining boards. And then finally attach the second rectangular frame using wood glue and finished nails on top. To make the bottom of the lantern, attach the 1x10 board to the frame using wood glue and 1.25-inch wood screws. You want to make sure that there is just a slight overhang on all sides. And that is the main structure of the lantern. Now for the top roof structure. Use one of the 6.5-inch boards and one of the 5-inch boards and attach using wood glue and finished nails on both ends of the lantern. For the center beam, another 12-inch board is attached using wood glue and finished nails to align with the top of the triangles. And that's it. It is done. You could leave it looking rustic like this, or you could sand it and stain it or paint it to match your decor style. You could even make it different sizes. This is about 20 inches high. You could make it shorter. You could make it using 3/4-inch dowels, or you could even use popsicle sticks and glue to make smaller ones, which would actually make a great kids craft. It is great as decor for the seasons or even as a centerpiece. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you here next time with another fun project. Bye.